learn new things. Process of teaching, I always find something creative because every day I have to learn something to teach a student. So I love learning new thing every day. So I enjoy this profession. And tell me, why do you like teaching? Do you have a specific reason?
I have the same reason as you discussed that in this profession, when you are teaching someone, you are actually learning because if you have to teach something, you need to learn it by yourself. You have to go and search things, and only then you are able to teach. So I think when you teach, it actually broadens your knowledge. It actually increase your horizon. So that's the reason I like teaching, because you keep updating yourself in this profession. Because before teaching, I was a senior office assistant in one of the university in Pakistan, but
Wow.
I found it I found it a comfy job, but it was not challenging. I mean, I just had to sit in front of the computer and kept typing all the day.
Hmm.
So and I resumed teaching. Yes,
Definitely, definitely, because I love also those activities. While you are teaching, you are creative, but if you are doing some job, just like sitting in front of computer, wasting, just it looks like wasting your time. You are not learning something, and
exactly.
I think in our life, it is without learning. I think we are not alive. We look like we are dead.
I totally agree with you, especially in this point of time. Things are getting very difficult if you are not competent, if you are not knowledgeable. So it is very difficult that you find a job. You have
Yeah.
to have a degree and knowledge as well. This
And
is the thing.
one thing also, social media or internet has just globalized the whole world. That's why in I think 20 or 30 years ago, you can be depend on your regional for regional job. But nowadays you will have to uh, compare yourself with whole world if you want to get any job, because whole world is on internet, and you will have to fight with them to get any good position in at any place.
Exactly. Exactly. And this internet, this globalization has also given us plenty of benefits. For example, if I give you my example, if I get stuck in doing anything, I just go and search it on YouTube, how to do this, how to do this. Even I have learned cooking from YouTube.
Yeah,
So there are things which we learn from internet
yeah,
and for
definitely.
free.
Yeah,
We don't have to spend money
yeah, really.
except the
But
internet packages.
yeah, because yes, really, internet has made everything very easier, and you can learn anything from internet. That is a very big possibility on internet right now. And person who is positive towards learning something, they are achieving everything just sitting in home.
Yes, exactly. So, what is the situation in Bihar? Are you going outside? Is it allowed, or there is still curfew?
Yes, the curfew was lifted 2 or 3 weeks ago, but once again, few cities of Bihar has been put in curfew because of the increasing number of cases. Every day, the number of cases are increasing, and uh, from last 3 days, it is increasing very fastly,
Rapidly.
rapidly,
Mhm.
and because of that, once again the curfew had been put. everywhere, in my city especially.
Okay, okay. I don't know when will we able to get rid of it, but now I have got fed up with this life, wearing mask all the time wherever we go. So it is very difficult. Although here in Saudi Arabia they have lifted the curfew and lockdown, shops are open, we can go outside, there is no restriction, but we need to take care of some precautionary measures, like we need to put mask and we have to observe social distancing like this. So I hope that in upcoming days things will get back to normal.
We can just hope, and we are hoping from last 3 months. Okay, and we don't know how long we'll have to wait. But we can say hopefully that within next few months we will get rid of these things. We can hope.
Yes, yes.